In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Surfshark app. Let's get started by opening the Surfshark app on your device. Make sure you're using the official app from your device's app store and that your internet connection is stable, either over Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you haven't opened the app in a while, it's a good idea to update it first so everything looks and works as expected. When the app launches, you'll land on the welcome screen. Here, you'll see an option to log in, along with an option to create a new account. If you already have an account, tap the login button. If you don't have one yet, choose the option to create a new account and follow the on-screen prompts. The app will guide you step by step through setting things up, and once that's complete, it will return you to the sign-in flow automatically. If you're logging into an existing account, the app will show fields where you can enter your email and password. Type them carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters and any special characters. If your device offers a secure password manager, you can use it here to autofill your details and reduce typing errors. When everything looks correct, tap the button to continue. If you're setting up a new account, keep an eye on any instructions the app provides during the process. The goal is simply to finish creating your account so you can proceed directly to sign in. Stay within the app and follow the prompts until you're brought back to the login screen or signed in automatically. To finish logging in, confirm your details and proceed. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to complete a quick security check, such as entering a code sent to you. Just follow what's shown on the screen. After that, the app will load your main dashboard. That's your confirmation that you're signed in successfully. You should see options to connect and manage your preferences. If anything doesn't load right away, give it a moment and make sure your connection is solid. Closing and reopening the app can also refresh the session. Once you're in, you're ready to use Surfshark on your device. That's it. Open the Surfshark app, choose to log in if you already have an account or create a new one if you don't, and then finish logging in by following the prompts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sign in smoothly.